The 2020 Jeep Cherokee has over 80 standard and available safety and security features, which helped earn it a 4-star crash rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. These features include blind spot monitoring with rear cross path detection, full speed forward collision warning with active braking, lane departure warning with lane keep assist, park view rear backup camera with trailer view, rear park assist system, unpark assist, curfew alert, trailer sway control, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, parallel and perpendicular park assist, and electronic stability control, just to name a few. The 2020 Cherokee has not yet been tested by the IIHS, but the 2019 model was awarded top safety pick status in part because the Cherokee's front crash prevention technology was rated superior. Up next, we're going to take a look at the interior and exterior of the 2020 Jeep Cherokee. As always, thanks for watching.